So I'm going to briefly explain my journey with the loose legs and understanding it without being too loquacious. When I started, like my friend Marcus Tucker was one of the first people to give me house steps, and it was my other homie Joshua Polk, that gave me like a little bit understanding and a few drills to help me develop that step a little bit more. So that's kind of where like the idea of the rolling comes from, because he would just show me a bunch of different drills just included in these actual rolling of the steps and rolling my feet. So that's how I started to develop that and put that into the loose legs. So my idea was always just to have this concept of just constantly rolling through. In my time, I've also learned from a number of different pioneers and and older generation house heads. And it was actually a video clip by Sekou that showed me another way to interpret this move and still still stay true to the form that I already had. And that's where this idea of opening the feet up and the knees up came about. So, once I saw that there was also this understanding underneath about how the knees are working with that step, I simply just, pieced that together. So this is where, the understanding of the roll and the knees work for me. Prior to that, prior to me, understanding that, I kind of was just rolling through the steps, and I was teaching it as that, and I kind of didn't really know how to break this part down until I actually saw someone break it down for me. I say all that to say that, throughout your entire journey in dance, you're definitely going to find different pieces from different people that'll give you different perspectives on how to understand the foundation or how to understand the dance and help you truly find yourself. So take all those things and embrace it, all right, and help really develop your own style.